You like those fish, Peep? You get them? What are they doing? You want to eat them? You want to eat the fish? She likes to give them a kiss too. Do they taste good? Hmm? Can you get them? Oh, that must hurt, Pete. Can you get them?
She likes the wet one.
You would think they'd get on your tongue. Hey?
I think the fish like her too.
You think she's going to feed them, but really she just wants to eat them. What do you think, Paper? Do you like those fishes? Do you like them?
Hey, here.
Here, Peeper. Go see the fish.
Fishy.
Get down.
Fishy.
You just can't get them, eh? Hey, Pete. Just can't get them.